Alright guys, so I'm trying to reorganize this again. Look at this freaking chaos right now, guys. There is crap everywhere. This is all my trucks. Got all my Mustangs sitting here. I'm trying to scoot everything over because of all those new 98 Cobras that need to go here. So everything's got to be shifted over. All these screws can just stay in that spot. All this is here. Got my Ford GTs, my Mazdas, bunch of other stuff. Look at this, guys. Oh, when you talk about overwhelming, that is what you call overwhelming. Look at this. All right, I'm only like 10 minutes in, and this feels like it's gonna be an all-day thing. So haven't done anything with this part yet, but I've worked my way all the way down here. I've added a lot of the Mustangs that I got recently, like the 96 first editions. I got all my 98 Cobras up in there, and I finally got the 2004 first edition of the old fat boys, or the fatbacks I mean, sitting up top, because normally it was in the middle, kind of throwing off everything. The only thing that did get thrown off is the full release of the 2005, because I had this utilizing one whole row. So you got the first release, second release, all the way down in order, and then starting off with the Shelbys. I finally got to the black checkmate with the white one in the collection, so that one's good to go. I was able to get the blue one in the line of my 2009 models for the 2010 Mustang GT, because that blue one was actually sitting up there because I ran out of room. So actually able to throw some in there. I have the new Zamac GT500 along with the new white K&N thrown in there that I just got from Ford's Man 84. Got all my Mustangs running up here. If you guys remember, I had the premiums. Now I'm actually finishing up the Ford GTs and the Ford GT40s, and I'm leaving some spots because there's gonna be some new variations of this one, which I already seen in a 9-pack. And now I'm gonna start focusing on all the JDMs and imports and all that, and try to focus on cleaning this clutter up. I have all the Audis and McLarens down here. I got a bunch of JDM cars, Mazdas, and all that stuff that I need to put on here. Almost getting there, guys. Almost there with this wall, and then I can go and finish up that side. It's a work in progress, guys. Work in progress. All right, guys, so I think it was like 3 or 4 hours later, I finally got everything put together. I have all of my 5-packs right here. I ended up putting all my premium of the Boulevards, the Fast and Furious sets, all that stuff here, and then I have all my trucks, and then moving on into Mustang. So I finally have it all organized. Everything is right where it needs to be. All the Nissans and Datsuns are back on the pegboard where they need to be as well. So the only ones I have left to make room for are these cars right here. I didn't have to mess with that one too much. I just put the ID car right there. I ended up filling up this almost completely, so I just have one more row, and then I ended up putting back my Porsches in order, and then the Lamborghinis back on this wall with the Mazdas to finish it up. So, you guys remember a long time ago, this used to be the wall of exotics, so this actually freed up a whole space right here. So I do have that. I do have a box that I filled up just partially with my big time muscles, and then a bunch of other Hot Wheels casts that I don't really care for. Everything is done, so let me know what your thoughts are. This took literally all day. I put my extra ones right up here that are in the hard case. I got the 2 Hot Wheels Classics, and then the RLC right there with the Supers, treasure hunts, and then yeah, so definitely digging the wall of little 5-packs right here. All done, guys. It is all cleaned up in here. The only thing I need to do is get those signs, because these were hanging up here, but myself and King Nut kept hitting our heads on there. Oh, and it looks like I forgot 3 more Lamborghinis up here. Not too bad. All right, guys, we're gonna try this one more time. My daughter is still sick, so gotta head home, take care of her. She's just got a high fever. All right, let's see, what do we got in this? It's a pretty old one. Got the Kroger exclusive. All right, let's start going through. Let's see, what do we got? make some room. Some oldies, but definitely goodies. Alright, let's see. Got the old 57. Be nice if I could find that one in here. Got another dirt bike. Let's see, let's start going over in this one. Not a deep shipper, it's a very short one. Or shallow, I should say. Let's do this right and make it clean, not all crazy. Got another 57 Chevy. All I want is the 57 Chevy. If I could find that, that would just be amazing. It keeps teasing me. Let's go ahead and clean this up. Oh, you got the little bone shaker there. The little K-case. Okay, let's move this down. We'll organize this while we go. Nothing. At least I found that old exclusive. Didn't think I would see that one again. The shipper might be way too packed. We'll put those on the side. There is no room. Let's carefully turn this around. Oh man, this thing is just destroyed. Nothing. Okay. Nothing so far. Let's go ahead and pull these out. Make it easier. Got those bone shakers. Oh. I'm trying to clean as I go. I don't want the next person to think that I destroyed this. Porsche GT3s. Yeah, treasure hunt. Alright, so I got the 56 Kroger exclusive, and these are definitely not gonna fit. I'm gonna go put these up on pegs. Carefully rotate this back around. Okay. I'm trying, guys, I'm trying. Alright guys, so it looks like they got that new shipper in because there's a lot of fast wagons. Look at that. Everyone's going all crazy over these, which I guess it's not my thing. Really sweet Cyclone right there. You got the Lancia, and they got the orange cards. We'll go check one more spot. Looks like they added a couple new ones. Let's see, you got the Lude. It's always a good one. Got the Mazda. Oh, look at that. Little short card love. Nice. You know, this is what I mean by coming back. Look at these short cards that are in here. Another short card Porsche. Very cool. Got the Cyclone. Another short card here. Another short card. It's really sweet. I didn't even notice that the first go around. Ooh, look at that. Short card Maverick. That's sweet. I have one, but I don't have one original because I opened it and did a custom. I didn't even realize that the first go around. That's why it's always good to come back over things. So not bad. You got 3 cool short cards right here. Exclusive and another 56 treasure hunt. So the lady I talked to, she let me know that there was more new ones over here in the grocery aisle. So I gotta check this before I head out. And then we'll be done for today. All right, let's see. All right, let's go ahead and put these right here. A lot of short cards. Look at that. It's an oldie but a goodie. Then let's go ahead and start moving things. Oh, there we go. A little treasure hunt. Cool little one. Let's see, somebody else probably needs the GTR because I don't need it. Looks like that's about it. Alright guys, not bad, not bad. We'll showcase after. Not a bad haul. Definitely some old ones like the 56 Ford truck treasure hunt. Definitely needed a second one. And then I found another 77 Dodge van because I gave my other two away. And then as you saw guys, I picked up some short cards which are pretty sweet. So I do have this variation, but I did a custom out of it and I painted everything that is orange black. But being a short card, I think that is really sweet. Also found another Honda City Turbo 2 short card. I do have a good amount of these. I know I'm missing like 2 of them and I'll have all the releases, but that card is in really good shape. Also picked up the Porsche 944 Turbo short card. Picked up the yellow Porsche Carrera short card, which is an amazing color. I love this pearlescent yellow. And then the Kroger exclusive 76 Greenwood Corvette. So I have this one, but I have it loose. So I'm glad I was able to pick up another Kroger exclusive to go in my Corvette collection, because that was one I was like, man, why did I open that up? Hey guys, not a bad haul. Definitely some old ones, but goodies, especially being short cards. But that's all I got. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and also comment down below. So until next time guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.